Hi there. Check out the Unikito Book Shelf with 2 drawers, a stylish and multifunctional storage solution. Its unique tree shape and industrial wood design add charm to any bedroom, living room, or home office. Featuring 12 open shelves plus 2 spacious drawers, it offers plenty of room for books, photos, and decor. The shelves support up to 25 pounds each, ensuring sturdy and safe storage. Assembly is simple with all accessories and clear instructions included. Plus, anti-collapse hardware and adjustable non-slip feet keep it stable and protect your floors. This chic and practical bookshelf combines fashion and function perfectly for your space. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.